Hey folks, I'm Walter. Thanks so much for the question. First of all, congratulations, you're going on your first cruise. Now you want to know about the dress code and you want to know what's included when you arrive at the ports of call. Well, with the dress code during the day, it's kind of like a beach resort. It's very casual. The only thing the cruise lines don't like to see is bathing suits in the buffet, and then you got to make sure you're wearing a shirt when you're walking around inside the ship. Now at night, the buffet is still the same. It's going to be very casual up at the buffet, but if you're going to go to a main dining room or one of the restaurants on board, think of it as business casual. A pair of slacks, a pair of jeans, maybe a button down or a polo shirt. Some cruise lines allow you to wear dress shorts. And for the ladies, whatever you would consider business casual. I'm not up on business casual for women. Now for the ports of call, well, nothing's included. I mean, it's just like staying in a hotel. Whatever's outside the hotel, that's on you to go out and pay for your restaurant, pay for your tours, pay for whatever it is you want to do in that town when you're there. Now some cruise lines are offering incentives, like I see Norwegian and Celebrity sometimes offer incentives to include some excursions in the fare. And if you step up to a luxury cruise line, say like a Regent Seven Seas, well that's literally all inclusive. Everything's included, including all of the excursion. But for the most part, when you show up at a port, the ship got you there. Now you can get off the ship and go and explore and do whatever it is you want to do on your own. Hey, thanks again for that question and enjoy your first cruise.